Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about your Accenture interview result, Accenture screening mail, and also Accenture onboarding process. So friends, the first good news here. So even in the recession, Accenture has now started the onboarding process. Here you can see, hello sir, I just got the onboarding date on 26th of September 2023, but I need to change the location. Do I have to mail them? Right? So friends, Accenture onboarding process has been started, and one of our student, he has got the mail that his onboarding will be on 26th of September 2023. He has got the onboarding date, so it's really a good news. I don't know how many of you or how many of them has got, but what we can say from here that the onboarding has at least started, and those whose task mail is approved, so they will be also soon receiving the onboarding dates. Okay, now this is the first thing, friends. And second thing, friend, the screening mail. So what is a screening mail and for which all batch it is there, so that also we will discuss. Okay, friends, the first thing here is, so this particular screening mail, anyone can get it, right? So I personally had applied for Accenture ASE role, and here I have received a mail that dear Pratik Kumar, and I had given the pass out year is 2023. So thank you for your interest in pursuing a career with Accenture. In order to proceed our recruitment process, you must participate in our screening assessment within 3 days from receiving this email. This will be virtual assessment, and hence you can take the assessment from any convenient location place. Now, so friend, this is a basically a screening assessment, and this is like a mock. But I request all of you to write down it. I mean to write the assessment seriously, right? Friends, any point of time, they can see if they wanted to suppose remove some of the student, then based on the screening assessment also they can remove. So everything you please take it seriously. Don't take anything lightly. Okay. Now, so when basically this screening, examination happens so that they will be able to check your system. Okay. So your system supports your system will support the main examination or not. So for that reason also, so they conduct this screening assessment. So don't worry about that. This is not a final exam. This is just a screening exam before you go for the actual examination. Okay, so many other students were asking, so I will just tell friends, please see, this is like a mock, and basically here you will find the questions on reasoning. Okay, so here you'll find around 15 questions on reasoning and plus verbal. Okay, reasoning and plus verbal ability. So you'll be finding 15 question which I have understood from the student. So screening mail, 15 questions will be there, but take it seriously. Every exam you give it seriously. Okay, now friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell you, friends. So many of the student has already written the Accenture examination, right? And many of them are going to write. Okay, so whatever courses we have prepared based on the latest pattern is definitely helping students a lot. So thank you, sir. Actually, with the help of your classes, we cracked aptitude round easily. Okay, so the first round, cognitive round, so they are able to crack with our latest the material. And that's what, if you have exams upcoming, either SASA or ASE, then you can go for this course. This is the best course based on the latest pattern, where we have covered everything: cloud networking, MS Office, verbal ability, right? And 10 additional mock test series has been also given, so that you will be able to judge yourself before you go for the exam. Price is also kept very much nominal. One movie ticket price 500 rupees. Okay, and also friends, if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon, so that any update you won't be missing it, right? And the link is there in the description for the course. Get it right now, so that later you don't regret. Okay, now friend, the result. So many of the student, they had interview, right? So they had interview on 29th of July. So they are still receiving the task mail. Okay, so they are still receiving the task mail. Okay, so today also they received the task mail. So what I wanted to tell you, friends, see, you wait, but parallelly you apply for the other opportunity. Like today, if you'll see on our channel, so Cognizant, right? So I saw Cognizant, Cognizant is hiring, and we made a video based on that. Okay, so if you go here, so through Honest platform, and if you click on apply here, then, so just a minute, then it will take you to the careers at Cognizant page. And this is the latest hiring. You can see the job posting is August 2020. 2023, right? So 22nd of August, they have posted it. So these are the current hiring for which you have to apply. Okay. So if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you don't miss any update. And you have to wait. Okay. Please wait whenever your interview is done. Okay. See, anyway, after waiting for 1 or 2 months, you will be also clear that you are rejected, but please wait and then you decide. Till then, you keep applying, keep preparing hard, and definitely soon you will be able to get a job. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. This is what I wanted to give you the update. I don't make multiple videos on same thing. Combinedly in one update, I will give you like 2 3 things so that you do not have to look for multiple videos. Thank you.